Now, let's fill out the evidence organizer together for the first quotation. We will wait to add the focus statement until the end. The first quotation we annotated was by Christian Bernard, who was a doctor. We can go ahead and add that to the first column, context. Then you can go ahead and add handout 1 to the third column because we know already that that is our source. The first quotation says, "It is infinitely better to transplant a heart than to bury it to be devoured by worms." This means it is better to donate your heart to another person after you die than to have it simply decay in the ground. Or it is better to reuse a heart than to throw it away. Because I used the direct quote, I made sure to use the quotation marks. Does this quotation use the word heart in a literal way or a figurative way? The word heart is used literally because it is referring to a body part. He is talking about moving an actual heart from one body to another. He is talking about the heart that is the muscle that pumps blood through our bodies. So on elaboration and explanation, I said the word heart is used literally because it is referring to a body part that can be moved from one body to another. Look at the highlighted words. These words show the evidence. A heart can literally be transplanted or buried in the ground to be eaten or devoured by worms.